Hello guys, welcome to another Where's the Gun box break. This one for 2011 Topps Precision Mini Box. It is currently 12:53 a.m. on Wednesday, March 14th, Central Time. And here's our buyer list. It's for a group of auctions ending on the 12th of March. Alright, we'll get started here. Thanks for bidding, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. The first 100 subscribers with a YouTube channel will get put in a drawing for a free box break. If you don't have a YouTube channel, there's no way for me to contact you and no name for me to put in. So you do have to have a channel to be eligible. Alright, here we go. I didn't get that one very well. See what we can find in here. First we got a Frank Gore for the Niners. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. So we'll pull this one to the front. Owen Daniels for the Texans. And for the hit, we have an Aurelius Ben for the Buccaneers. Autograph. The AB there. This guy looks like he's unnumbered. Yep, no number on this one. So here's the head of the box. Aurelius Ben for the Buccaneers. Alright, thanks for bidding, everybody, and be sure to check out my other box breaks and subscribe for a chance at a free box break.